Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make $200 in just a few minutes, and potentially way more on Predictum, a platform by the creators of Polymarket. Alright, to start off, we need to register. Just enter your email and set up a password. In the promo code field, make sure to enter the code SNAKE. Don't skip this, because without it, you won't get your $50 bonus. So, after registering, we can see a $50 bonus on our balance. Now, we just need to place a bet on an event to multiply it a bit and withdraw even more. So, to do this quickly without waiting hours or days for other events to end, we're going to open a 5-minute bet on Bitcoin. Now, let's see how Bitcoin is performing right now and how the previous 5-minute trades closed, so we can draw some conclusions and place our bet. Alright, I'm putting $20 on Bitcoin going down. As you can see, the odds are shifting like crazy, which is awesome if you know how to analyze the market. Great, my bet is placed. And now, I have a chance to win $42. Now, while we're waiting for our bet to finish, we need to top up our balance. That way, we'll be able to withdraw the bonus funds, and, if we're lucky, our winnings as well. Alright, I've topped up the balance with $50. Let's check if the funds have arrived. Awesome, everything looks good. Now, bonus withdrawals are unlocked for us. Alright, time's almost up for our bet. And as we can see, we're most likely wrapping this one up in profit. Super! Hell yeah, our bet closed in the green. Now we've got an even bigger balance to withdraw. This is perfect. There's so much activity on these bets that the site is actually lagging a bit. Or maybe it's just my internet. Anyway, time to head over to the withdrawal section. Let's go to our profile and check if all the funds are in our balance. As we can see, all the funds are right there in our balance. Now, we can move on to withdrawing them to our crypto wallet. Click the withdrawal button, select your network. For me, it's USDTTRC20, and withdraw our earnings straight to the wallet. The withdrawal request has been submitted. The money usually comes through super fast here, under 2 minutes. All the funds have been sent to my wallet, and I just got a Binance notification on my phone confirming the deposit. As we can see, everything works perfectly. You can run this strategy multiple times and lock in around $500 a day, which is awesome income. Good luck with your bets, everyone. See ya.